This video is about long, deep breathing. Hi, my name's Jessie, and we are going to practice some yogic breathing. We can begin by sitting with our spine stacked over our hips, our head stacked over our spine. We can have our arms stretched out, and we can have our hands in wisdom pose. It's a Gyan mudra, where you have the index finger and the thumb in a circle, maybe resting your thumb on the fingernail and have the other three fingers open. We can expand our lungs to about 8 times their regular size if we take a long, deep breath. So we can just take a moment to close our eyes and just stack our spine over our hips, our head over our spine, and breathe. Inhale through the nose, filling the stomach, the diaphragm, and the chest nice and deeply. Perhaps using a throat lock in order to hear the breath moving in and out of the throat. And slowly exhale. Maybe even trying to make your exhale longer than your inhale. Slowly ramping it up so that it's twice as deep as your in-breath. So if you breathe in for a 4 count, exhale for an 8 count. What this practice does is it helps us with endurance and patience. If we are able to slow the breath to 8 times per minute, it stimulates the pituitary gland, which is located between the eyebrows. This is the third eye point. Breathe deeply. Slowly exhale. Inhale, breathe deeply. Exhale, slowly exhale. Try to make it a longer exhale than your in-breath. Making sure we're filling all 3 lobes of the lungs, the lower, middle, and upper lung. Funny thing, I actually have a biology degree, so I know a couple things about this. Keep breathing. Keep inhaling deeply. And exhale, trying to make it longer than our in-breath. Keep breathing. And remember, this is something that you can come to at any point of your day, especially if you're feeling stressed, especially if you're feeling anxious, frustrated, tired, angry, depressed, whatever it is. Taking a moment to put your full awareness on your deep breath for 3 times is all that it takes in order to reset, to snap yourself out of the story that you're telling yourself. If we are able to slow our breathing to 4 times a minute, this can stimulate the pineal gland, which is located in the center of the head. If this occurs, if we're able to breathe only 4 times per minute, then meditation can become automatic. We are able to go into an altered brainwave state. Just close the eyes for a few more moments and stay with the breath, working to fill all 3 lobes of the lungs. Using our throat lock. And not straining with our breath. Though we're trying to exhale a little deeper than the in-breath, not forcing it. And slowly open our eyes. Very well done. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, click the gear notification button to see other videos related to this. And until next time, my friend, may love and light be yours. Namaste.